How to split long videos for Instagram story. So if you have got a certain video that you want to upload to your Instagram story, it's maybe longer than 1 minute. Instagram will allow us to upload up to 1 minute, but not further than that. So let's give you an example. I have a certain video here that is 4 minutes long over here, as you can see. And basically the thing is, I want to upload this without actually cropping any part of it. So I want to upload, so let's say it's 4 minutes, all the 4 minutes of it. For this, we'll just go to our Play Store or our App Store and we will just search for an application called Video Splitter. So we'll just type that in on our Play Store or your App Store. Now when we type in Video Splitter, there will be so many different apps to choose from. You can always choose the one that you like. I'll choose the one that's right at the first, and it's a free app, so it might have some ads as well. By the way, this is not a promotion of the app. This is completely irrelevant to all of that. Now let's open the video application. Now when we open the video app, I'll just skip all of this and I'll tap on split video and I'll allow the access to my videos. Then from there, I'll simply select the video that maybe I want to split, which is 4 minutes 36 seconds long. Now what I do is, remember that Instagram allows up to 1 minute. So after 1 minute, it will split them. So what we will do is we will rather split them right now. So we will split this to 1 minute each portions, not exactly 60 seconds, but we will leave it maybe 58 or 59 seconds, so none of it gets cropped. So it will divide into multiple parts with 1 minute split amongst each of them. And don't worry, it will all be in order. So here we can see the timer. I'll just go ahead and choose, let's say, I'll just select that and I'll leave it at 59 seconds. So what it will do is it will split among 51 seconds, all of it, right? So it will split all the parts into 1 minute each. The remaining one, so let's say last there's 36 seconds, it will keep that. So now tap the arrow button. And as I said earlier, it's a free app, so we might have to deal with some ads over here. So let's just wait until the ads has completed as well. Now once the ad has been completed, I'll simply close this and I'll just tap on dismiss. Now I'll just tap on specify a folder name and you can see it will split all of these videos into multiple parts. So what it will do is it will create 4 or 5 depending upon the length of your video part. You can check all of this. Normally it will be in order and you have to upload those parts to your Instagram story one after the other. So the part that we divided into 1 minute each, we will upload them one after the other. That way we ensure that all of our videos are uploaded completely without actually missing our Instagram automatically chopping them up to 1 minute. So I hope that this video helped you as to how you can split long videos for your Instagram story. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.